Good morning, students. In last class, we studied about the chapter number first, geography as a subject, and we understand about its geography as an independent subject. The word geography coined by the Eratosthenes, the Greek geographer. Here, the father of the geography is Hecataeus, and number two is Eratosthenes. In this chapter, we study about the what is geography and why we read about the geography. Clear? And the general introduction of this lesson, we start here from here. Physical and human geographical facts are not static but highly dynamic. What is here? All these physical and the human geographical facts, physical geographical facts, and the human geographical facts are not static. It is not static but highly dynamic. And the changes in the physical environment and the human and the relationship between them, all these geographical factors are not static. Here the changes found in dynamic mean यानी कि इसमें जो बदलाव होते रहते हैं ना, चेंजेस होते रहते हैं, that is here the dynamic. किसमें? Here physical geographical facts and the human facts, they are not static. ठीक है? Here all these are here the geographical facts are the dynamic and they change over time as a result of interactive process. As a result of interactive process between changing earth and untiring and ever active human being. Here the earth is not stable, earth is also changing. Here the and human is untiring and ever active. All time here the human active. Then here the processes of the geographical changes. Then here the human also adopt them changes. Here what here? Changing अर्थ भी कैसा होता है? चेंज होता है. और ह्यूमन कैसा है? एक्टिव. ह्यूमन एक्टिव, तो ह्यूमन अडॉप्ट द ऑल द प्रोसेस ऑफ द चेंज ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट या चेंज ऑफ द अर्थ. एंड हियर द चेंज ओवर टाइम है ना, जितने भी टाइम में होता है ओवर टाइम एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ द इंटरेक्टिव प्रोसेस. ठीक है? और ये जो चेंजेस है किसका रिजल्ट है? जो बार बार जो चेंज हो रहा है. ठीक है? दिस चेंजेस आर द रिजल्ट ऑफ इंटरेक्टिव प्रोसेस बिटवीन ह्यूमन एंड द नेचर. इंटरेक्टिव प्रोसेस बिटवीन ह्यूमन एंड द नेचर. हियर द अनरेस्टिंग, हियर changing earth, here the many changes in the earth and the environment, and here the many changes in the active human beings. So human also adopt the all the environmental processes, and here the found many changes in the human and the earth, and here the interactive processes between them, and here the changes found in the geography. Here we study about the geography, what is in the geography and the what changes have in the geography. So in geography we studied about the human and the nature, all these facts of the physical यानी कि all these facts of the environment and all these facts of the human, and also we study about the interaction between earth or environment and the human. Next here the geography is concerned with the study of nature and human interaction as a integrated whole. So here in geography we studied about the geography concerned से मतलब टोटली हियर द डिपेंड, या हम कहेंगे कि ज्योग्राफी इन होल मैटर ऑफ द ज्योग्राफी वी स्टूडिड अबाउट द नेचर, एनवायरनमेंट एंड द ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन एज एन इंटीग्रेटेड होल. तो इन ज्योग्राफी वी स्टडी अबाउट द एनवायरनमेंट, अर्थ, नेचर, एंड आल्सो स्टडी अबाउट द ह्यूमन एंड देयर रिलेशनशिप और हियर द इंटरेक्शन यानी कि इनमें जो भी चेंजेस होते हैं, बदलाव होते हैं, मानव जो अडॉप्ट कर रहा है एनवायरनमेंट से, जो भी उसे मिल रहा है, ऑल दिस इंटरेक्शन आर स्टडी इन द ज्योग्राफी. ठीक है? तो हियर स्टडी ऑफ द नेचर एज ए इंटीग्रेटेड होल, एंड हियर द ह्यूमन आल्सो, ऑल दिस फैक्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन एंड their interaction are studied in the geography. So with the gradual development of technology, human being human being were able to human beings were able to loosen the scales of their physical environment. So due to development of the technology, then has the technology development, human being were able to loosen all the scales. Scales का मतलब होता है restrictions. ठीक है, all these restriction of their physical environment. पहले की हम बात करें कि आदिम जो अवस्था आदिवासी लोग इसे हम कहते हैं ना ट्राइब्स. ठीक है, तो ट्राइबल ग्रुप में क्या होता है, उनका जो लाइफ सर्वाइवल का जो टोटल तरीका होता है वो कैसे होता है, ऑल आर डिपेंड ऑन द नेचर. देन हियर द रेनफॉल सीजन, दे अडॉप्ट दिस सीजन. देन हियर द दे हैव नो हाउसेस, दे लिव ऑन द trees. ठीक है, totally depend on the nature for food, for residence and for habitat, and all other of these activities of the of these Adams and here the tribal group are depend on the nature. But now the development of the technology क्या कर रहा है, human being were able to loosen the restrictions of their physical environment. जो physical environment ने हमारे लिए जो क्या कर रखा था, हम कहेंगे restriction कर रखे थे. जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी का डेवलपमेंट किया, all these restrictions are loosened by the human beings. For example, human ने हमारे लिए क्या किया, nature represents here the soil, represents here nature represents here soil. ठीक है, soil बनाया. अब soil से हमने क्या किया, then here the night, और क्या किया here then lights and the many other features developed by the human. ठीक है, all these here the restriction, then human lose the all these restrictions. ठीक है, before then development of the human, here the no sources of the transportation, now we develop the transportation and the communication system. ठीक है, तो due to development of the technology, many changes in the environment. ठीक है, next, geography as a discipline and concerned with three sets of the questions. Now we study about the geography as a scientific subject. Geography is a scientific subject. Then these three questions answer given that what is geography and what geography is a scientific subject या geography is a independent discipline. ठीक है, तो all here the first questions, some questions are related to the identification of the patterns of the natural and the cultural features as found over the surface of the earth. Here the found over the surface of the earth, what found here, the identification of the pattern of natural and the cultural features. So all these here the natural and the cultural feature are changed due to the या हम कहेंगे according the time. ठीक है, and these are the question about what this question क्या है, about what की what study in the geography and what matter is the useful in the study of the geography, and this question answer of this question here the what is geography या what geography is a scientific discipline या here the independent discipline. This question answer this what here are related, all these questions are related identification of the pattern of the natural and the cultural features. Clear? And next question, some questions are related to the distribution of the natural and the human cultural features over the surface of the earth. These are related to the question where. In first question, all these are the what, these are the in geography, and second question, these are the part of the geography and where they are found. These questions are related to the distribution of the natural and the human cultural feature. ठीक है, natural and human cultural feature. And the last third question is related to the explanation of the causes, causal relationship between features, all these physical features and the cultural features, and the process and phenomena. This question this aspect of geography is related to the question of why. Questions why we study the geography, why the geography is the discipline subject. Then here the question is related to the explanation of the causal relationship between features, all these physical and the cultural features and all these processes and the phenomena. This aspect are the geography related to the question why we study about the physical features and the process of environmental features and human cultural features and why these are represent as about the geographical discipline. All these here the three questions: what, where, and why. Related all these questions are a result of geography as a discipline. ठीक है, geography as a independent subject या geography as a scientific subject.